Car Patrol! Car Patrol!
Hey, Charlie. Charlie? Are you okay? Oh, you're asleep. Wake up, buddy. Looks like you're having a nap. What's wrong? Your crane is missing? Somebody must have stolen it while you were asleep. We'd better call Car Patrol right away. Listen up, guys. We have a problem. Charlie's crane is missing. Can you help him find it? Here they are. What happened, Charlie? Any ideas? You're going to use your magnifying glass to check for clues? Have you found something? Tire tracks. You think we should follow them? Bobby! You're the thief! Why did you steal Charlie's crane? Your hat blew into the water and you were trying to fish it out? How did you carry it from the construction site? Flavie, those tire tracks were yours. Well, I think it's time Charlie got his crane back. What's that, Hector? You think we should help Bobby find his hat? Any luck, Hector? Awesome. This is going to need some teamwork. Frank, can you help him out? Excellent job, Car Patrol. See you guys soon. The Car Patrol. Morning, Hector. Where are you going? You're on your way to the fun fair? That sounds fun. See you there. Hey, baby Amber, baby Katie, are you ready for the roller coaster? You are?
Mm-hmm.
Great. Off we go. Wasn't that fun, babies? Get ready for the next one. Oh no, the roller coaster is stuck. Phew, here's Hector. Look, the roller coaster is stuck. Shall we call Car Patrol to help the babies out? Guys, Hector needs your help. The roller coaster has broken down and the babies are trapped on top. Can you help him rescue them?
What?
Great. Let's go. Here they are, Hector. Don't worry, babies. Car Patrol will get you down. Oh no! It looks as if the roller coaster is about to fall over. We'll have to work really quickly. What shall we do first? We're going to make sure the roller coaster is upright. Good idea. Careful, Frank. Don't push too hard. Great job. What's next, guys? You're going to fly up into the air and lift the babies down? Okay, Hector. Good luck. Careful, Hector. It looks really heavy. Great job. Out you come, babies. Well done, Hector. What a fantastic rescue. Is there anything else we can do?
What?
There is.
What?
We could fix the roller coaster?
What?
Awesome idea. Can you see anything? You can?
What?
You think a screw has fallen off? Okay, Matt, let's find it. Any luck? No. Let's keep looking. Good thinking, Hector. It should be easier for Matt to find the missing screw now. There it is. Well done, Car Patrol. You've saved the day. What's that, baby Amber? You want to go back on the roller coaster?
Mm-hmm.
Well, off you go. Good job, Car Patrol. See you next time.